Alright guys, here it is, the 2022 KTM 350 EXC. For 2022, didn't get a huge update on this bike. Obviously the new graphics. I wasn't sold on the blue seat on the SXs with the black tank, but the blue seat with the natural tank and all this blue in the shroud. It's such a sharp looking bike this year. I really love it. They topped last year easily. But we did get some substantial suspension updates for 2022. Alright, so let's talk about those suspension updates. We got updated Explorer 48 forks, and there's a new oil bypass in the outer tubes for reduced friction. There's a new compression cartridge with 1 2mm hole instead of 4 6mm holes. This is supposed to help the rebound dampening, and the springs are now polished, and that's the idea, is to keep your fork fluid cleaner. So we'll see how that works. As far as the shock, there's new settings. There is new settings in the fork as well, but as far as the shock, there are new settings to match fork performance. There's a new conical bushing between the pistons and the rear absorber to improve bottoming, and there's a new softer shock O-ring that's supposed to reduce fading when it gets hot. So pretty sick. These bikes are cool. They're a blast. Great bike for a beginner dual sporter, or somebody who's going to dual sport and might hit some gnarly stuff, because you know, power's not an issue, but this thing's so light and nimble. You can survive the gnarly stuff on this thing, no problem. So yeah, sweet looking machine. Let's go ahead and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in one of these things, email sales@aomc.mx and they'll get you hooked up. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.